Hi guys, this is Architect Je. Nandito tayo sa Pasig River Esplanade. So ang nakikita nyong building ay ang El Hogar Building. Ito ay may tuturing natin na Architecture of Love. This was built as a gift by Antonio Milian Pabia to his bride, Margarita Sobel de Ayala, who is the sister of Enrique Sobel de Ayala in 1914. So ito ay may tuturing natin ng mga unang skyscraper ng Manila. It was designed by Ramon Erorita Goyena and Francisco Perez Munoz. Ang estilo ng building na ito is Symbiox Arts or a combination of a neoclassical and a Renaissance architecture. Arcaded yung harap, that's the dominant feature of a classical architecture, and there's a combination of arcaded and the rectangular windows, which is a dominant feature of a Renaissance. So follow our page to appreciate more of the Philippine architectural heritage.